Hi, this video is for the Suffolk County Bar Association, a secretary that just sent me an email telling me to go to the SCBA community.lawyer website to be referred for a lawyer in Suffolk County. So I went through the process once, and when we went, he said at the end of the process, please send an email. So here I am. I send an email, and they say go back to the website. We're looking urgently for a lawyer to help this socialist French producer that did a job before COVID for medical. She did a contract for a medical lawyer, for a medical doctor, Mr. Dr. Nakul Karkare, who they got a contract to do a job for about $6,000. It was something to put a video on the doctor's patient website and things like that, explaining what Dr. Karkare did at an orthopedic, so the patient would understand. So my friend Mariette and Dr. Karkare passed a contract for about $6,000, and Mariette hired a few, all the stuff you need to do a video, to mount the video, to do all the stuff that goes with making a video production. And this I want to say that because it has to serve for any creative out there who deal with this kind of asshole like Mr. Karkare, and who is completely, I would say, according to the story, an asshole. So the story went that Mr. Karkare didn't give any direction other than he like or he doesn't like something. And so when they're trying to do the video, of course it didn't go well, since the video producer is not an orthopedic surgeon and cannot explain on a video what is going to be, what the procedure are. It is for the doctor to explain what the procedure of his job is. And that didn't happen, and basically my friend gave up and said, you know what, I cannot deal with this shit, I'm moving on, and you on your own. But the thing is, Dr. Karkare turned around, because he seems to be a doctor with means, and basically sued my friend Mariette for about $60,000. And so it didn't go well. This was COVID, so Mariette and the lawyer reached a settlement, or a proposed settlement. And in the proposed settlement, Mariette said, I'm sending you all the rush, everything, and basically I'm out of it. So that's it. She said she was in France, she was in Guadeloupe in France, and she got the lawyer to send the document to France and a hard drive, so she could put all the video and everything. And she did. And she sent back the document and everything back to the lawyer back in 2020, at the end of 2020. And basically she didn't hear from him. She sent the letter, she sent everything, and she never heard. Point being is, Dr. Karkare went back to the lawyer, changed the lawyer, and went on and started sending document to her address in New York. Obviously she's in France, she's not in New York. So she never knew that they were continuing the court case. And eventually, on May 18, the judge there was a judgment, and in the judgment, the judge awarded $60,000 to Dr. Karkare, or $40,000 to Dr. Karkare. Basically, she goes to her bank and she's like, no, you are overdrawn by $60,000, and she doesn't have any money. She's stuck in France, in the island of Guadeloupe in the Caribbean, and she's going through hell to find a lawyer to help her. So here we are. So basically I sent the email and I received the email saying, oh no, you need to go check out the website. So here we are, dear lawyer from the Suffolk County Bar Association. We are going to do that, and I'm going to do it online with you because that's what I did. So we want a 30-minute consultation, so we get started. Simple as that. We said get started, and the location, the county is Suffolk, because that's where the case is taking place. So we enter Suffolk. So what kind of law we're looking? Well, we were looking for negligence, personal injury, business, corporate, and nothing was there. So we went to more, and this seems to be a collection issue because that's what happened. So we select other. So general, we go through the debt collector and we say, do you have deadline appearing? Yes. So we put August. We went August 22 of the year 2022. Reason is a court hearing. We need help with the court hearing. We submit it. Then we explain the Leo story. The Leo problem we have. So I entered that I'm just entering that like Mariette did. So I was taken to court by a client that claimed I did not perform a work and sued me 10 times for the amount of the work. We had reached a settlement while I was in France during COVID. The client knew that because I was away because he sent me the document there. After I completed the agreement, I did not hear from them and got a default judgment. Client sent letter to an address he knew I did not leave and therefore was not notified of the court appearance. My bank is being garnished. The index number is 615-787/2020. I click next. So her name is Mariette. So I put, okay, I'm going to say Mariette Montpierre. We did all that before. So, yes, you can contact me. I'm not going to put a phone number because this is on the web, so I don't want people calling crazy poor Mariette. So I'm putting 555-1212, and I'm putting my address, info@socialist.us. Yes, contact me. View the lawyer. Unfortunately, no attorney in the practice area served the client. This location, you may try a different one or search criteria. Please, for example, service. In the following nearby, blah, blah, blah. Contact us at 631 or send us an email at Iris. So if we call, this is what we get. One, I'm going to call. I'm going to put it on speaker very loudly. So I'm dialing the number. 234-5577.
Thank you for calling the Suffolk County Bar Association. Please be advised that if you are requesting a lawyer, we no longer offer phone support. You may process your request by going online to scba.community.lawyer. There you will be provided with your choices of attorneys. Again, if you are requesting an attorney, please go to scba.
Okay, you get the idea. Well, so basically, there is a problem in this country with the legal profession. There is no doubt. We need to change all that stuff. But right now, Mariette needs help. And so this is for the Bar Association. Please help.